Hi everyone, so today I am going to show you my 2 parcels that I have received from the CharmedRose, and again this is all stuff that I purchased myself. So this is the super cute insert that Gem has put in her boxes, and this is 2 separate orders, but look how pretty these are. So there you go, and you can see the ribbon. That's one of my favourite ones that I've used many times in my tutorials, and she also does lots of these dangly charm embellishments. But again, I have some, but I have a habit of hoarding them. So this is my first order, and Gemma is always very generous, and she has popped in these freebies for me. And she always adds a freebie to whichever order she does. So she sent me this horse charm, this cute little cat in the teacup, and a cute little cord embellishment. And like I said, she does that free with all your orders. She does different things for different boxes depending on what she sent out. And then I got these sets of ribbons. Now I've got these 2 little cute embellishments. There's this gingerbread man and this little deer in the like tartan heart. And as you can see, I got the 2 matching ribbons for these. And I can't remember which sizes I got. So I got this in 2-inch ribbon, the gingerbread in 3-inch ribbon, and then I got this really pretty, look at that one. So I put those all in there. They were super cute. And then this is one I was really excited by. She's got this in a few different, these 3 different colours. So I got this, and it's like, it's sort of like bias, but it's not. It's like edged cotton fabric, and there's a couple of tutorials I want to do, but the thing I get frustrated, because I do have a sewing machine, I just happen to be completely terrible with it because I haven't got the patience for threading the bobbin and like winding the bobbin and threading the underneath bit and doing all the bits and pieces. My brain just goes, this is too complicated, we've had enough now. So on those kind of tutorials, I like to find things that I can make the tutorials with where most of the bits have already been done for me, and this is just an example of this. This is like the fabric ribbon. It's all edged, so it's not going to be frayed and everything like that, and it's basically the equivalent of what you would make yourself on a sewing machine. So I've got 3 different versions of this, and I'm going to play around and come up with some tutorials. But like I said, it is a great alternative if you want to make those kind of bows but you can't because of the same reasons as me. You either don't have a sewing machine or you can't get along with it. These kind of ribbons and like alternatives to this are like absolutely perfect for that kind of stuff. So that's why I got those. And then, as you may have noticed, I am a little bit obsessed with cord ribbon, and these were some other ones I got. So I got all the different shades that they stock over at CharmedRose, and I got at least a metre in all the colours because I'm crazy and I have no impulse control. There you go. So you got the blue, the mustardy gold, the grey, and the like burgundy colour. So I've got all of those, and then I got some new herringbone colours because she got some new ones in, and I'm obsessed with these like double-sided ribbons. So I've got this like more burgundy red, this purple and like, well, like blue and pink, this black and like the darker purple. That's those ones. And like I said, I love double-sided ribbon. It just makes it so much easier. And also double-sided ribbon, I don't know what it is about it, it just feels a bit sturdier. So you know when you're doing like loops and things like boutiques, you don't need to do the like layers, and it just gives it more structure. And I also say this is one whole parcel. There's an awful lot in here, and how Gemma managed to get it this flat and get it through as a large letter, I have no idea, because you'll see in a minute. Let me just put this there to anchor that in place. As you can see, I might have gone a bit overboard with that ribbon from earlier. And here's the little freebie that she sent me in this one. And I also got Halloween. And I know I shouldn't be doing Halloween tutorials now, but I will be doing them soon. And I got this cute little half sleeping unicorn and a little rose charm. So I got those ones. And yeah, I've got a whole bunch of Halloween ribbons. It's late because at the moment it is the 3rd of October. So it's very late to be ordering Halloween ribbon and thinking about doing Halloween tutorials or Halloween bows, but I'll still do them because I'm me and I'm crazy. But how pretty is this ribbon? So I got this one because it was a bit different, and I always like unusual Halloween prints and patterns and things like that. And then I got this one, which again is another one that was a bit more interesting than what I've seen. So there's those, and I got the matching 2-inch version as well. Got this little guy from before, so for Christmas. And then I got these 2 Halloween ones, and I love sugar skulls. So I've got this really pretty sugar skull one, and then I got this boo. And I also had the bullet in this one. She had the bullet in this exact print as well, which I thought was really cute. My sister pinched it though. She's claimed it to make some scrunches. And then I got some 1-inch little pumpkin witch hat ones in the 1-inch ribbon. And then I got this really, really pretty one in the 1.5. That's all that one. Oh, and I got this sugar skull one, and again Gemma had the matching bullet on that, and again my sister pinched it so she can make a bunch of scrunches and some of the twisted headbands, because she does have a sewing machine and she's a bit faster on those kind of things than me, mainly because she resists the urge to throw it out the window on a regular basis, unlike myself. And then I also got the matching resins for all of those ribbons, as you can see, which I thought was a really cute idea, because like I said, it takes out the whole like organising the things yourself, which again, a little bit off my head. And then I got some cute, I don't normally get metal danglers, but I did in this occasion because I thought these were really pretty. So I got this spooky Halloween one there, and then I got another little spider cage, well 2 different versions of the spider cages. So I thought I could attach them to my bows in some ways. And if I don't use them this year, I will use them next year, because I am a hoarder. And I also like buying things just out of season or completely out of season, so that when you use it next year, not as many people have it and you stand out more. It's a key tip for you. And then I re-brought this. I've already brought a bunch of this. I actually showed a tutorial. I showed how to make the twisted bullet tutorial in this version, and it's so pretty. Look at this. I love it. So I had to order some more because I've already used all the stash that I had from previous. And then I got these tartan snowflakes, and this pretty one that matches some ribbon that I've had recently as well. So I got all of that. And like I said, I'll probably hoard half of this because it's me. But yeah, they're all my bits and pieces that I've got from Gemma. And that is over at the CharmedRose, and I'll put the link in the description below so that you can go and do some shopping if you'd like. She has quite a lot of interesting ribbon. She has lots of bullet and things like that, and lots of charms. If you're into like embellishments and things like that, that is the store for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.